So today, the building permit finally came through, so I'm heading in this morning to pick it up. That's a really big relief, so I'm really happy about that. So we can now start to move forward with the building process. So I just picked up all the permits, so we can start construction anytime we want. It's all here. Got all the permits and everything, so it's a big relief. So finally. So I got the excavator and the dumpster, so it's time to start demolishing the house. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Alright, that is the remainder of the house. It is all torn down. So it turned out really nicely. So now I just have to pick it up and put it in the blue dumpster. So I'm going to get to now. The dumpster is full. They're going to come out in the morning and pick it up and drop off an empty one because I still have a little bit left. Well, ran into a little bit of a problem here. The track has slipped off the excavator. So they're going to have to send out a mechanic and put it back on. So they got the track back on the excavator, but right now the excavator is actually having some problems. It keeps shutting off in the middle of operation. So they're going to try and swap it out with a different one if they have one available. Alright, so they're swapping out this excavator because it's having mechanical problems. It keeps failing or shutting off when it's running. So I'm going to have to take it down the road and leave it down there so they can swap it out easily. So let's hope it doesn't give me too much of a problem on the way down, because if it does, it'll be a long drive of stop and go. Okay, it just died on me. So I got 50 feet. All right, let's try and get it going again. It's working now, so I better run with it. Okay, well, I got here and it died, so at least I made it all the way, so now I only have a few feet to park it, so at least that's good. All right. All right, so at least I made it. Hi. What's up? You waiting for me, eh? So we got the replacement excavator, and it's really nice. It's a really good one. So it'll be really easy now to finish everything up.